I'm Dr. Matthew Schulman, and I want to talk about a name for a procedure that you may not quite understand what it means, and I'm going to explain it. The term is lipo360 or liposuction 360. What's interesting is that this is a term that originated with patients. So normally in plastic surgery, doctors will come up with a procedure and have a name for a procedure, and then patients will then start using that name. This was sort of the opposite. This was a term for procedure that was floating around the plastic surgery community, meaning the patients. And patients were talking about lipo360, liposuction 360. They were talking about it amongst themselves in online chat rooms, in forums, in reviews, things like that. But it wasn't really a term that we as plastic surgeons were using ourselves. It's now become more popular amongst plastic surgeons, and we as plastic surgeons now use this term because people know what it means. But you may not know what it means, so here we go. Lipo360 means lipo or liposuction 360 degrees. So if you think back to elementary school or middle school when you were learning about geometry, you know that 360 degrees means all the way around. So when we talk about doing lipo360, we're talking about doing liposuction all the way around your body. That means the front, the sides, the back. So we're going to do liposuction of the abdomen, of the flanks, of the back, which is 360 degrees all the way around you. It's just an easy term for us to say lipo360 instead of saying liposuction of your abdomen, your flanks, your back. So now that you know that 360 means 360 degrees, we can use that term with other procedures. So I commonly do procedures like lipo360 BBL or BBL 360. That means that if you're getting a BBL or a Brazilian butt lift, that's going to include liposuction all the way around. So I will do liposuction of the abdomen, liposuction of the flanks, liposuction of the back, and then use that fat to put into your butt or your hips. That's the BBL part. And obviously the 360 is all the way around. So aside from being a cool term that makes it really easy to describe what we're going to do, it makes a lot of sense. My philosophy as a body contouring specialist is to treat you all the way around. So even if you come to me and your main concern is your stomach because you don't like the way your stomach looks, as a plastic surgeon, I'm going to look at your back because if the back and the sides look good, that's going to make the stomach look better. So it's very common for me to say, okay, we're going to do a tummy tuck to make your belly look better, but I need to treat the back and the sides because treating you all the way around is going to make your overall shape better. And I think that's really important to do in order to get a really good result. We have to stop thinking about people in two dimensions, meaning we just look at you and you don't like your stomach, we're going to fix the stomach. The body goes all the way around, it's three-dimensional. So things that I do on the back or the sides are going to make the front look better. So I think that's the key to getting a really good result is treating the patient all the way around. It just gives a much better appearance because every part kind of flows into another part. So it's very hard to isolate one specific part of your body that we're going to make better. We have to treat everything around it. So that's my general philosophy about doing body contouring is that we have to treat everything. But hopefully now that I've explained what the term 360 means, things will make more sense when you read reviews and someone says, I had lipo 360 or I had a BBL 360. It's 360 degrees all the way around. I'm Dr. Matthew Schulman, and I hope that this clarified some things for you. If you like this video, make sure to like it and show the support. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll try to get to them. And don't forget to subscribe because I have all sorts of other videos that may answer some of the questions you may have about plastic surgery.